They told me I need 1,000 subscribers to earn on YouTube. But I made my first monies on YouTube with 100 subscribers, right? Which I'll show you how I did it in this video with two things. I start with two things. I make my first monies on YouTube with $100. No ads, no monetization tags. And the best part is that most creators don't still know the secret about this, which I'll show you guys how I did it in these videos. Right, so welcome back to this channel. If you are a new YouTuber and you are waiting for a 1,000 subscribers to get monetized on YouTube, you are in the right video now, which I'll show you the success stories of this on how I make my first monies on YouTube. Right, when I started this channel, I don't have fancy equipment like camera, all this stuff, microphone like you are seeing right now in this video. Right, so I just started with doing my phone, with just my phone, and started recording with voice with my phone mic, and I share all my experience on this YouTube. Right, so I get to 100 subscribers, and so far so good. I get my first dollars with 100 subscribers on YouTube, which I'll show you guys how I did it on my account. Right, so I keep seeing a lot of videos saying you need to wait to 1,000 subscribers to get monetized and start making money on YouTube. Right, so let's move into the process on how I make my first dollars in this YouTube without getting monetized on YouTube. Even as I'm talking to you, go to my channel page, you see I haven't reached 1,000 subscribers and I get a lot of money to buy tools and equipment from this same YouTube that some creators are struggling to get started with. There's two methods I use to make money from YouTube, which the second method is the one that give me a lot of money to buy hot gadget I need to set up my YouTube. Right, so first one right here is affiliate marketing, which is common. Right, so you can start affiliate marketing with ease. Even with 5 subscribers, 10 subscribers, you can start affiliate marketing. What you need to do is to create a valuable content and start selling. Right, so if you want to start affiliate marketing right now, all what you need to do is to join a platform where you will have access to the affiliate links so that I can sell their product and get commissions back. That's how I make money from this YouTube in the first place. Right, but the big money that comes from YouTube is for the second method that I use to get money on this YouTube. What I simply do is that I post valuable content on these channels every day or every after 2 days, at times 3 per week, 4 per week. How to be consistent on YouTube. I know how it's frustrated when you are posting on YouTube and are getting low view. That's how me to be till my one of my posts go viral and sales started coming in. Let me show you the second method I use to make the big money. So this is where most creators didn't get it when they are started. All these new YouTubers just waiting for the monetization of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. No, before forget about the 1,000 subscribers, but focus on the getting views and 4,000 watch hour. As you have focused on getting views, subscriber will come, 4K watch hour comes to. Right, so second method that I use to make money is getting the brand deal. As you see on my screen right now, this is the email, first email that I get. See, first email that I get for the brand deal, and you can see on February of this year, right, which I'm still at 100 subscribers at that time. Until now, I'm getting big money. So I get less paid for brand partnership, right, but money is something that can keep me move forward. Like, so this is where the real money is. All what you need to do is that the reason why I told you guys to start with affiliate marketing in the first place is what works for me might not work for you. Right, so if you are someone that want to start and build something online, you need to find a niche that you know that people are ready to pay for, to promote their product or to promote their brands. Right, so what you need to do is that if you want to start, I advise you to go for a tech niche, making money niche, finance niche, all those stuff. Right, so that's where the money will first comes in when you get started. Right, so even if you want to do affiliate marketing, all this niche will give you a lot of money when you get started with YouTube. So you don't need to wait for a 1,000 subscribers to get started. So if you want me to teach you how I did this from A to Z, go to the comment section and type. If you want me to show you how I did this from A to Z, go to the comment sections and type in the niche you are in so that I can put you through some steps that YouTube can take and start making money from this online space